Today is another one of those legacy recipe days. I have Reena Didi to thank for this. Reena Didi is Amit's cousin, Reena Kakkar, and she's an amazing cook. Well, my whole in-laws family is full of good cooks, so I can't say who's better and who's not. Might start a feud. But Reena Didi is an amazing cook, and today we are doing her aam ki sabzi, mango curry with namak ajwain ke parathe. Mango and paratha, ripe mango and paratha is something that my brother-in-law Sudhir had actually introduced me to, but he used to just have cold, ripe mangoes from the fridge with his hot parathas, which was also yummy. But this time round, cooking those ripe mangoes and making that curry for the parathas, it was really awesome. the addition of the mint leaves at the end, it sort of blows the whole thing sky high, and it is an amazing recipe. You must try it. Thank you, Reena Didi, for this amazing recipe, and both Amit and I are looking forward to 10 million more of your recipes, and next time we're in Delhi, we're camping in your house forever. So you can do this for breakfast, you can do this for lunch, you can do it for any meal that you like, or you can just do it because it's simple and delicious. Do try this recipe, and we shall see you in the next episode.